1. Yo, welcome back to another NBA 2K24 rebuild. It's your boy Phil. We decided to go back in time today to see what will it actually take for Carmelo to win a championship with the Knicks. It's going to be a two-part series. The first one is going to be the Knicks. The next one is going to be the Nuggets. So I decided to do the Knicks today just because our co-host, our brother, John is a Knicks fan, and I'm pretty sure he wanted to see this. So, hey, let's see what we can do. But before we continue, make sure you like and comment down below, subscribe, put a notification so you know we upload. And with that being said, let's get into it. So, I had to do the trade since this was a midseason trade. So, we got everyone but Mozgov involved in the trade, so I traded Eddie Curry instead. So, yeah. So, we're going to make some more trades to try to build up this team and see how we can do. So, our goal is basically to be better than the Heat. So we're going to make some trades, and we'll see what happens. Okay. I feel like Chauncey Billups is too old. I could trade Billups for something. Young Drew Holiday is crazy. No, go and move this. I need a young point guard, a good point guard. Young Conley. Millsap. Tyreek Evans. Old Vince Carter would be wild. Brooke Lopez, Devin Harris, ooh, Nene, Hibbert, Granger. Do I go old Steve Nash? You know what? Let's go Steve Nash. He's older, but I feel like he'll facilitate better. Let's go Steve Nash. Okay, so what do we need? So we need a nice shooting guard that can complement. So we got point guard, small forward, power forward, center. Oh, we need a center too. Wow. So let's go. We're going to trade Fields away in Hato and a first. So we need a shooting guard and a center. Oh, Jamal. Bring Jamal back? Possible. Go Tot. Oh. Do we bring Jamal back? You know what? Fuck it, we bring Jamal back. I want Jamal back. Okay, so who else? Who's in free agency right now? Who's in free agency? I'm curious. Okay, no Eric Dampier. Okay, no one that we would know. So I'm gonna see if I can go with these guys. A first from the Hawks. So we're looking center. Ime Udoka would be hilarious. Gortat, a young Gortat. Birdman. Honestly, how much can we get for Tyson Chandler? Where is Tyson Chandler? Damn. You know what? I do want Steve Novak, though. I do want Steve Novak. I'm not going to lie to you. Give me Steve Novak. I want Steve Novak on the squad. Okay. So I need a shooting guard and a center. I need a center. Brad Miller? Nah. You know what? I got a better idea. What if I can give away 2 first-round picks? Kwame Brown, new. Come on, give me a good center. Ben Wallace? Chuck Hayes? Oof. Grant Hill? No. Let's go him. You know what? I'm just gonna go towards. There we go. Paul Gasol, no, he won't be available. No, he definitely won't be available. Tyson Chandler. Brooke Lopez. No. You don't want Carmelo Anthony. Honestly, I might go Chris Anderson. Worst case scenario, I'm going Chris Anderson as of right now. Roy, Hibbert, Stoudemire. Damn. Greg Monroe. Maybe. No, not Brownie. Yao Ming. No. Tiago. Splitter. No. Ibaka? No. Darko? No. Greg Oden? Young Greg Oden? No. Marcus Camby? Nah, we don't want old Marcus Camby. JaVale McGee. Oh. You know what? I think we... actually... Bogut? Oh, Larry Sanders would be nice. Joakim Noah? No. Bergeau? Celtic Shaq. Chris Kaman? DeAndre Jordan. Ah, damn. Marcus All, no. Zaza, no. Emeka Okafor. No. Honestly, ooh, Cousins would have been lovely. Let me get Anderson. Actually, you know what? Let's say Roy Hibbert. I can sacrifice. Damn, do I want to sacrifice Nash? And I just obviously get Anderson. Okay. So boom. He's just there for defense anyways, so that'll be fine. What can I get for Steve Nash? If I can get anyone for Steve Nash, I'll consider. We'll see. If I get a young... Ooh, Iguodala? Josh Smith would be lovely. Honestly, Josh Smith, move him at the... Ooh. Tony Parker. Young Tony Parker. Ooh. Andre Iguodala, though. Defense, everything. Josh Smith would be lovely, too. You know what? I think we need to go younger. Iguodala or Josh Smith? Let's go Josh Smith. So, boom. I'm going to turn Amare to a center. Josh Smith, power forward. Actually, who? Yeah, Josh Smith to a power forward. Boom. So I just need a point guard now. So I'll trade Chris Anderson and Jordan Crawford and a first. I need a point guard. Oh. Donis, no. Gortat. Actually, who's available on free agents as a point guard? I have no point guards? Dude, Jesus Christ. Bring Jason Kidd to the Knicks. That'd be hilarious. Devin Harris, no. Raymond Felton back, no. Stuckey, no. Calderon. Actually, what happens if I put Jamal Crawford at point guard? Nah. I'm good. Kyle Lowry, young Kyle Lowry. No. Goran Dragic. Ooh, if I got him, oh. No. I'm about to say Jeremy Lin, why not? Young Steph Curry, oof. John Wall. Gilbert Arenas? Damn. Kirk Heinrich, no. Drew Holiday. A young Drew Holiday. Brandon Jennings. Oh, wait. Nah, I can't. Derrick Rose? No, that'd be impossible. Mo Williams, Rondo. Rodney Robinson? No. Baron Davis? Old Baron Davis. Mike Conley? No. Jeff Teague? D. Wells? No. Derek Fisher? No. Let's go no, let's go here and here. Ronnie Brewer? No. Shannon Brown, Aaron Follow, Dante Jones? No. Maxwell? Hayes? Grant Hill? Let's try this. Let me see if I can move Grant Hill around. If I can move Grant Hill for a point guard, DJ Augustine might be on something. No. Taslim, no. Roger Bell. Bano Udrid. Maybe. Oh, Jamir Nelson. I might take that. Yeah, it looks like Jamir Nelson so far. Yeah, let me go. Ooh, Michael Beasley? Let me go Jamir. I'll take Jamir. Perfect. I'll take Jamir Nelson. Jamir Nelson, Jamal Crawford, Carmelo, Josh Smith, Amari Stoudemire. Now we need to get this bench together. Novak off the bench. So I need a point guard, power forward, center. Because these guys are ass. Larry Sanders. Ryan Hollins, no. Marcus Daniels, no. Raja Bell. No, old Raja Bell, good. But first round pick, though. Young Shannon Brown, I might. Q Rich. Old Q Rich, though. Honestly, give me Shannon Brown. I'll take Shannon Brown off the bench. Boom, boom. So we got shooting guard, power forward. Just need point guard, center, small forward. Point guard, center, power forward. I might get Jason Williams off the bench, not gonna lie. Oh, I might get Ben Wallace. Yeah, let me get Ben Wallace. He can still block, right? Block. Okay, it's not bad. Yeah. He's only a backup anyways. I'll take it. Okay. So I got power forward, shooting guard, center. Power forward, shooting guard, center. So I just need point guard and small forward. I just need a point guard and small forward. Ime Udoka would be hilarious. Oh, I might do that. Yeah, let me do that. So I get a first round pick in there. Bow. Keon Dooling, maybe. DJ Mabenga, Earl Watson, Ronaldo Bulkman, Turioff would be nice. Brandon Rush. You know what? Keon Dooling's 30. Earl Watson's 31. Brandon Rush can shoot. You know what? Give me Brandon Rush. got? Wasn't Shannon Brown a point guard before? Ah, nah, his thing goes down. So we got shooting guard, small forward. Augustine will be nice. DeAndre Jordan has a back. Oh, I might take that. Ooh, I might take DeAndre Jordan. Honestly, yeah, I'm taking DeAndre Jordan. I'm taking DeAndre Jordan. I can trade away Ben Wallace. So I need a point guard. That's what I need. Bogans, no. Glenn Davis, no. Eddie House and Jamal McGlure, maybe. I like Eddie House. Derek Fisherman. I'll take Eddie House. Okay, so we got DeAndre Jordan, so center, point guard, power forward, shooting guard. I just need a small forward. I just need a small forward and Maguchi. Just give me a regular small forward. Oh, no, P. Vandeweghe, no. Royal Ivy. Kurt Thomas. Josh Powell, maybe. Ime Udoka looks like, yeah. Yeah, I'll go Ime. Okay, so here's our lineup. I might have skipped some trading, but here's our final lineup. Jamir Nelson, Jamal Crawford, Carmelo Anthony, Josh Smith, Amari Stoudemire, DeAndre Jordan, Eddie House, Steve Novak, Brandon Rush, Ime Udoka, and Nicola Allen. So, we're going to sim. If anything happens, we'll let you know, but we'll see you at the end of the season. Okay. LeBron James, MVP, Rookie of the Year, DeMarcus Cousins, Ginobili, Sixth Man of the Year, Dwight Howard, Defensive Player of the Year, Most Improved Player, Jeff T, Coach of the Year, Scott Brooks. Damn, 63 and 19. Not bad. So, do we have any Knicks? Wow. We don't get anybody? Good Lord. Okay, I guess not. So, we are the 4th seed. Wow. What did Boston? 15-32, Miami? Okay, so this is going to be... Oh, we face Dwight and the Magic first. God damn. We should beat them, so we'll see. Yes, okay. Oh. Oh, wow. Denver lost OKC. Oh. Wow. The Lakers lost. Kobe lost? Wow. Can we beat Boston? I doubt it, but we'll see. We swept Boston! Oh, Lord. This is going to be a tough one. Oh, we traded Ben Wallace to them. They actually have a good center now. Fuck. Okay, so what do we have to do here? I don't know. You know what? We'll take it one game at a time. Okay. Oh, okay. Damn, eliminated. Fell short once again. And the heat sweep, of course. It was meant to be. So, Dwayne Wade MVP. So, hey, we tried our best in one season to do it. The next thing, we'll try the Nuggets. So, hey, with that being said, thank you for tuning in. Make sure you like and comment down below. Subscribe. Put a notification so you know we upload. And with that being said, we'll see you next time on Baller Central Gaming. Yeah.